भवन्तमयमुद्वहन् यदुकुलोद्वहो निःसरन् ददर्श गगनोच्चलज्जलभरां कलिन्दात्मजाम् अहो सलिलसञ्चयः स अहो सलिलसञ्चयः स पुनरैन्द्रजालोदितो जलौघ इव तत्क्षणात् प्रपदमे यथा माययौ प्रसुप्तपशुपालिकां निभृतमारुदद्बालिकाम् अपावृतकवाटिकां पशुपवाटिकामाविशन् भवन्तमयमर्पयन् प्रसवतल्पके तत्पदात् वहन् कपटकन्यकां स्वपुरमागतो वेगतः ततस्त्वदनुजारवक्षपितनिद्रवेगद्रवत् भटोत्करनिवेदितप्रसववार्तयै वार्तिमान् विमुक्तचिकुरोत्करस्त्वरितमापतन् भोजराडतुष्ट इव दृष्टिवान् भगिनिकाकरे कन्यकाम् ध्रुवं कपटशालिनो मधुहरस्य माया भवेत् असाविति किशोरिकां भगिनिकाकरालिङ्गिताम् द्विपो नलिनिकान्तरादिवं मृणालिकामाक्षिपन् अयं त्वदनुजामजामुपलपट्टके पिष्टवान् ततो भवदुपासको झटिति मृत्युपाशादिव प्रमुच्यतरसैव सा समधिरूढरूपान्तरा अधस्तलमजग्मुषी विकसदष्टबाहुस्फुरन्महायुध महोगता किल विहाय सादिद्युते नृशंसतरकंसते किमु मया विनिस्पृष्टया बभूव भवदन्तकः क्वचन चिन्त्यतां ते हितम् चिन्त्यतां ते हितम् इति त्वदनुजा विभो खलमुदीर्यतं जग्मुषी मरुद्गणपणायिता भुवि च मन्दिराण्येयुषी प्रगे पुनरगात्मजा वचनमीरिता भूभुजा प्रलम्बबकपूतना प्रमुखदानवा मानिनः भवन्निधनकाम्यया जगति बभ्रमुर्निर्भयाः कुमारकविमारकाः किमिव दुष्करं निष्कृपैः ततः पशुपमन्दिरे त्वयि मुकुन्द नन्दप्रिया प्रसूतिशयने शये रुदति किञ्चिदञ्चत् पदे विबुध्य वनिता जनैस्तनय संभवे घोषिते मुदा किमु वदाम्यहो सकलमाकुलं गोकुलम् अहो खलु यशोदया नवकलाय चेतोहरं भवन्तमलमन्तिके प्रथमापि बन्त्यादृशा पुनस्तनभरं निजं सपदि पाययन्त्या मुदा मनोहरतनुस्पृशा जगति पुण्यवन्तो जिताः भवत्कुशलकाम्यया स खलु नन्दगोपस्तदा प्रमोदभरसङ्कुलो द्विजकुलाय किं नाददात् तथैव पशुपालकाः किमु न मङ्गलं ते निरे जगत्त्रितयमङ्गलत्वमिह पाहि ममामयात् त्वमिह पाहि मामामयात् శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం దశకం 39 ద కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ యోగమాయ అండ్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఆఫ్ కృష్ణాస్ బర్త్. వసుదేవుడు యోగమాయను మధురకు చేర్చుట. Vasudeva brings the child Yogamaya born to Yashoda to the prison. In spite of the baby being a girl, Kamsa tried to dash the baby against a stone. She appears before him and tells that he who is born to kill him is elsewhere. Meanwhile, the Yadavas of Gokula celebrate the birth of a son to their king. When Vasudeva was going ahead, carrying you with him, he saw that the river Yamuna was full of water due to floods. But that great ebbing water, as if by remarkable divine magic, surprisingly receded to a depth sufficient only to wet his feet. Vasudeva entered the house of the cowherd Nandagopa, where all the ladies taking care of cows were sleeping, and all the doors were open, and the little baby girl was crying softly, and put you in the bed of delivery, and took the girl Yogamaya, and speedily returned back to the city of Madhura. After that, woken up by the cry of your baby sister, the servants informed the news of delivery to Kamsa, and he rushed there completely perplexed, and was only able to see a female child in his sister's hands. Deciding firmly that this was only a magical trick played by the cunning Lord Vishnu, he snatched the baby from his sister's hands, like a big elephant plucking a young lotus flower from the pond, and dashed your sister, who does not have birth or death, on a stone. Then she slipped from the hands of Kamsa, like your devotee slipping away from the rope of god of death, assumed a very different form, flew up into the sky, and holding resplendent weapons in her 8 arms, and shined. O Lord, your sister told him, O cruel Kamsa, what would you accomplish by killing me? For your god of death is already born elsewhere, and now start getting worried of your welfare. And she vanished, and she was praised by all devas. And she is being worshipped in several temples. Next day morning, when the arrogant asuras called Pralamba, Baka, Putana came to know the words of the great goddess from Kamsa, with a desire to kill you, started roaming everywhere, without fear killing all children, indicating that there is nothing in the world that cannot be done by people without mercy. O Lord Mukunda, later laying on the delivery bed of Yashoda, when you started shaking your feet and creating sound, all the ladies got up and informed everyone the birth of the son, and what to say, the entire Gokula became drowned in happiness. How wonderful then that Yashoda won a victory over all blessed persons on earth. Looking closely at you, who was as pretty as new blue lotus, and drank your prettiness by her eyes till she was satisfied, and then fed you her milk slowly, caressing your flower-like body. That Nandagopa, becoming extremely joyous and happy, gave all sort of charity to Brahmins to ensure your well-being, and similarly the cowherds did very many holy acts for your sake. And O Lord, who grants good to the entire three worlds, you kindly cure and save me from my diseases.